Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can add another Instagram account, which means how you guys can add multiple Instagram accounts on your phone and switch between them. So let me show you how this works. So you need to click on your profile picture at the bottom. Once you're in your Instagram profile, at the top of your profile, it's showing Vichy6777 and right beside it, there's an arrow. If I click on it, it's going to show me multiple accounts which I have added on my Instagram, alright? Now, because I've added multiple accounts, I can just click on one of them and switch between them easily without having to enter the login details every single time. So that is basically what this feature helps you to do. Now, to add multiple accounts on your Instagram, it's pretty simple. You need to click on the arrow at the top. Once you click on the arrow at the top right beside the username, at the bottom you can see this option called Add Account. Just click on Add Account, and if you want to create a new account, click on Create a New Account and create a new Instagram account. And after you create a new Instagram account, it will be added in your device. But if you already have an Instagram account, just click on Login into existing account and then enter your username and password and click on Login and log in into your Instagram account. Once you do that, the Instagram account which you just logged in is going to be added in your device and it's going to show up over here just like this, like my accounts, and you can click between them to switch between them easily just like this. So that's how you guys can add another Instagram account. If you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.